In this video, I will be disassembling this 2019 Toyota RAV4 LED headlight. Before the lens can be removed, there are a series of Phillips head screws on the rear. I will remove all of the Phillips head screws now. I've removed 7 Phillips head screws. The last remaining screw is a Security Torx T20. I will now cut off the remainder of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. The front bezel is held to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. Please note that the wire harness for the ballast runs along this bottom edge. You can see here that I cut it while removing the lens. This is an easy repair, but it's easily avoidable as well. I will begin by removing the turn signal reflector. Next, I'm going to go to the rear of the light and turn the 10mm adjusting light. Next, I'm going to go to the rear of the light and turn the 10mm headlight adjusting bolt all the way left until the reflector mount comes off of the bolt. Next, I'm going to disconnect the wire harness. Next, I'm going to go to the corner of the light and pop off this outside mounting tab. Behind the reflector in the center is one more mounting tab that I need to pop the reflector off of. At this point, the whole reflector is free from the light. Here's the center mounting point, here's the outside mounting point. Here are the 2 mounting studs that the reflector is mounted to. Next, I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding in the LED ballast. I'm going to push the rest of the wire harness through the bottom of the light. Next, I'm going to remove the wire harness connector. I'm going to use a small hook tool to reach back and release the clip. Once the clip is released, I will push the wire harness connector forward. At this point, the headlight is now empty. I will begin by removing the ground wire from the bottom of the reflector. Next, I'm going to remove the wire harness connector. There's a small clip here at the top that I need to release with a small screwdriver and pull it forward. Next, I'm going to finish unclipping the wire harness and pull it off of the bracket. Each of the LED units is held to the top of the reflector using one Phillips head screw. The reflector is held to the bracket using a series of small clips. You simply need to release the clip and push it forward to release the reflector from the bracket. It took a couple of minutes to release the reflectors from the bracket. The key is to be slow and patient. The reflector is actually two pieces. At this point, the light is fully disassembled. Here are the components from the light. The LEDs are not attached to the heat sinks. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.